lifers. Been a day or two. I don't even know what day it is. December 2nd. And I'm out in the kayak. It's about 37 degrees right now, 38, somewhere in there. 10, 12 mile an hour north wind. Not very smart. And I want to go fishing. And fishing I'm gonna go. So y'all hang out. When I start catching some fish, y'all start seeing them. By the way, I'm on a power plant, like the water temperature is probably 70 degrees. We're gonna paddle over here to Bobby's spot. Bobby was supposed to be with us today, but he didn't feel like going. Wind probably wasn't blowing hard enough for him catching no fish. So, I'll be back here in a minute when we start catching. Y'all have a good one. We got us a donkey. He's pulling drag, he's barely pulling. Oh my God, he's a donkey, so. Oh dang, one hook. I might not ever get him in the boat. Oh yeah, we got him now. What do y'all think about the first one today, lifers? Bobby, you should have got up. You should have got up. They're getting fat. Get my pliers out. Get it unhooked. I keep these bass boats from knocking me out of here. We'll be good. Yeah. I'm gonna say that's about 3.5. Good fish. Good first fish. That's the first fish in over a month, y'all. Whew. God dang it. He pulled off. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, lifers. I'm just dropping this here in the middle of the video. Everybody's worried about me at the house going out and fishing when it's this cold in this kayak. Which it's not got warm today, it's probably 50 degrees now. As warm as this lake water is, and 50 degrees, you wouldn't get hypothermia until you got out for a long time. And it's not so big that I can't walk around the bank to find a house to get warm. But I did something. I built a kit. Survival kit. It's gonna stay in the boat from now on. We got 2 different ways. It's in a waterproof box. It's under my seat, I'd show it to you. I gotta rig it up where it's easy to get out if I fall in. But it's in a waterproof box like I keep everything else in here. And I got 2 or 3 different ways to start a fire. 2 ways to start a fire and 2 ways to maintain a fire until you get some wood on fire. I also got one of them emergency blankets in there. Got about 10 foot of paracord, maybe 20, I don't know, 10, 12 foot at least. Over 12 foot. paracord where I can hang my clothes up if I'm out in the woods and flip this thing over, start a fire, drive in and get back in it and come back to the house. I did that for my mom and Spice's peace of mind. It was probably a pretty good idea. And I think if y'all want me to, I'll do a video show you everything I got in there. Just drop in the comments, tell me. I fished with one of the baits I got in the giveaway this morning. I wanted to go to a different lake, but the wind was just too much. And it's a cold water lake. And you don't have to fight to stay out in the deep water to fish, so I came over here to this warm water lake where I can beat the banks a little bit. I'll probably bank fish probably tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, today's Monday the 2nd. Probably bank fish Tuesday the 3rd, y'all see that on Thursday, and try to use all of them. I go up there to my little bank fishing lake, you know, where I catch big 9-pound fish out off the bank. Give them all a try. Get them distributed in the tackle boxes anyway. Alright, I hope I didn't bore y'all too much today with only one fish catch. We'll be back to fishing more. Main reason I stopped, I'd aggravated my sciatic nerve. I don't know if any of y'all have ever had that problem, but sitting in this kayak was not the answer when I was having that problem. Wow, this water's clear. Alright. Watch on. This lake's got the good grass on it, but White always find the tired grass. I think the sewer must run down in there or something. Alright, lifers. Been a rough day out here. Came back to where I caught the first fish. I missed one a while ago. Y'all see that right before this. Been out here about 3 hours. That's about all I can stand. Body getting hot from paddling. Oh, fingers are about numb. Need to find me some kind of decent fishing glove. Alright, just tell me my battery's low. Y'all know what to do right here. Like, share, subscribe, and we gone.